Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this captivating tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock the magic of making DIY woolen flower with just lighter and wool. To begin, get two colors of wool of your choice. Here I'm using pink and blue. Then wrap the first color of wool on the lighter for 25 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew both sides of the woolen design already on the lighter. When you are done securing that, cut off the excess wool and pull the woolen design out from the lighter. Get the second color of wool and attach it on the first one. Then wrap around on one side of the woolen design the second color of wool for 5 times to make a base. Now, sew the base from beginning to the end. When you are done with one piece, make them 5 pieces. Join the 5 pieces together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Attach a medium-sized spear right at the center of the woolen flower to make it beautiful and seamless. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is the final look and it's so beautiful. Thanks so much for watching and I'll surely see you all soon.